Greetings, all lovers of successful trading. You are on the Bull Trades channel. Let me remind you that my name is Bruce. Sit comfortably to watch and listen carefully to this video because the information from it will be very useful and you will be able to better understand the market movement and the hints that the charts and indicators give us. My work is organized in such a way that you get the maximum benefit from me, both in the format of video lessons and in the format of various articles and presentations, which contain methods of working out different situations, figures and patterns, work with trading psychology. And additionally, in my Telegram channel, you can earn with me every weekday without risks increasing your deposits by my trading signals. So if you are really determined to progress in this sphere and of course to make money on it, then be sure to subscribe to my channels. And don't forget to watch the video till the end to hear the conditions of the next money contest. Now it's time to start analyzing currency pairs. Looking at the chart of the first pair, I suppose that the price will go down. Now I will tell you why I made such a decision on this deal. I will start with the indicators. As we can see, they were both in the overbought zone, but not for long and have already started to come out of it. And at the same time, the historical maximum was updated on the chart and the correction is coming from it. There was a rise with impulses here, and the first red candle is also quite impulsive, but I don't think the price drop will be huge. Now let's go to the chart of the minute time frame and analyze its hints. As we can see on this chart, the uptrend is confidently prevailing, but the indicators show an even bigger fall from the overbought zone. They react faster on the minute time frame. Keep this in mind. Now to the chart, if we pay attention to the top of this chart, we can see the bearish takeover pattern. It worked out well, as we can see a decent price decline after it. The bearish takeover pattern is a strong reversal signal. It indicates that sellers have taken control of the market, which may lead to further price decline. And it is good when the pattern is formed after an upward movement or at the top. Also, after the pattern, we saw the price correction for a few candles down. It may indicate further bearish mood in the market at the moment. And I will say a couple more words about indicators. Despite the fact that these indicators have not reached the oversold zone, their being below the overbought zone indicates that there is no strong pressure from the buyers and that the sellers can continue to control the situation. In my opinion, the deal was opened correctly, and I explained why I think so. When analyzing charts, you should be as attentive as possible because they tell you where the movement can go next. You just need to understand it and be able to interpret it. To make it much better than it is now, join my open and free Telegram channel, in which you can also earn with me every weekday. And with the help of training materials and the fixed messages of the Telegram channel, you will learn a lot of new and useful for yourself. The link to the Telegram channel is in the description of this video. Literally 1 second and the expiry time on the first trade is over. The analysis was absolutely correct and the profit is on our deposit. Now I move on to the second currency pair, and looking at its chart and indicators, I expect the price to rise. Let's see why. I will start again with the indicators. Stochastic has come out of the oversold zone. This indicates a possible change in market sentiment. RSI near the oversold zone and started moving upwards. RSI near the oversold zone starting to move upwards confirms a possible reversal. But in addition to indicator readings, we should also pay attention to the chart. I think many noticed that the last candle is formed near the local support level. Price descended to it rather sharply. So there may still be a price drop, but I'm confident there will be a profit on our trade. So on the chart, we are now seeing a decline in price, but I suggest we go to the 5-minute time frame for a moment and look at its chart. Upward movement prevails on the chart. Stochastic is sharply directed to the oversold zone. This indicates that the market is close to the oversold condition. Now turn your attention to these candles. Long upper shadows indicate that there is resistance in the market to further declines. This could mean that buyers are starting to become active at lower levels, which could potentially lead to an upward price reversal. And we can also see that the RSI is near the 50 mark. The 50 level on the RSI is usually considered a neutral zone. RSI near the 50 level indicates a state of uncertainty in the market where price could go either up or down. However, when combined with other factors such as long upper shadows and stochastic near the oversold zone, it could indicate a potential upward reversal. But after analyzing the 2 time frames, I don't think the price rise will be big. If you want to know much more useful information and various life hacks in this field and are ready to earn more while learning, then I'm sure you will want to join my private Telegram channel, in which you will get more trading signals at each trading session, more educational content, and my personal recommendations and advice on your problematic questions, including trading psychology. To join the private Telegram channel and become a better trader, write to me, want a team. And we have completed the expiration time of the second trade. The analysis is also absolutely correct. And that is why the profit on our deposit. But now I want to say one thing. Despite the fact that there is an uptrend on the chart, I do not think that the correction will end at this level. Looking at the indicators, I think the price will go even lower. Let's summarize some of the results of this video while we watch the chart. As you can see, literally in a few minutes of technical analysis, I managed to earn almost $1,000. This is what each of you can come to if you follow the rules and principles that I will talk about on my channel, and additionally write in my Telegram channels. Trading is much more than a up or down button. Each of you is able to achieve your goals. You just need to set them clearly and follow the path that is set for you. Everyone has their own personal characteristics, so the path will be different. But thanks to my work, you will be able to avoid many common mistakes. I have been in this field for over 9 years, so I know what I am talking about and what I'm offering. I do not make big promises. I try to open your eyes to this field and really teach you how to think and earn. Thanks to everyone who watched this video to the end. I'm sure the deals are clear, but if you have any questions, feel free to message me on my personal Telegram. It's also in the description of this video. Or if you are still not subscribed to my channel, or you have seen it for the first time, then subscribe and click on the bell, because on my channel you will find a lot of useful information with different trading secrets. Of course, don't forget about my Telegram channels, where you will also find a lot of useful and important information for this sphere. Now, I will move on to the money contest and ask the following question: what type of technical analysis is the oldest and where did it come from? Keep in mind that from the answers to this question, I will randomly choose 2 winners who will receive $150 from me. Subscription to the YouTube channel and open Telegram channel is required. And if a winner will be subscribed to the private Telegram channel, then for him doubles the amount of the prize. Good luck, everyone, and see you soon.